Who says that you need to suffer in order to lose weight? The key is in your palate. There is a way to burn fat and still enjoy delicious foods and drinks. You can do this with the smoothie we have for you today. This banana and pineapple smoothie is rich in numerous essential nutrients as well as antioxidants that will speed up weight loss in an instant. The smoothie is delicious and will help you lose weight in just a short time. All you need to do is to start drinking it today. The smoothie contains special enzymes, fiber, and minerals that will improve your digestion and boost your metabolism, effectively accelerating the process of burning fat and preventing food cravings. The smoothie should be taken as a substitute for breakfast or lunch. It can also be taken before going to bed, but in this case, you should cut the amount of the ingredients in half. Besides drinking the smoothie, we also recommend exercising in order to further accelerate the fat-burning process and increase your muscle mass. And you don't need anything strenuous. A simple walk, jog, or cycle on a bike can give you the amount of physical activity you need. Here's how to prepare the smoothie. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized banana, 1/3 of a cup of pineapple, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, half a cup of chopped almonds. Preparation: the preparation process is simple. Just put all the ingredients in a blender and mix for a minute, then pour the smoothie in a tall glass, add some ice cubes and enjoy. Take it instead of breakfast every day and start working out, and you will notice the difference soon.